Welcome to Legal Dilemmas, where you'll find clear, concise legal advice. Today's topic is mediation in family law. Safina, can you explain about the concept of mediation and how it works in family law?
Certainly, Brenda. So family mediation has increasingly become really important. And it is a legal requirement within Children Act proceedings, Private Children Act proceedings, and also within financial relief proceedings.
So is it compulsory? Do you have to mediate or do you have a choice?
Well, you don't have to, but it is a legal requirement. It's how you engage. So there are some exemptions. So you need to attend a mediation information appointment. And you could be potentially exempt if there's been domestic abuse, so something like coercive and controlling behaviour, or if there are child protection issues, if there's an urgency, or if there's a lack of engagement by one party.
Okay, so where would you go to mediate? How do you find a mediator?
Well, there's a list of mediators you can obtain, and mediation can be either in person, it can be online, so remotely. So you could have it on Teams. The mediator will obviously set up the facilities once contact has been made by one party. You can also have shuttle mediation, which is essentially in person, but the parties are in two separate rooms. If it's the case that mediation isn't going to work in a particular case, then the mediator needs to sign off a form to confirm why it's not suitable for that case to progress within mediation. Because obviously, Brenda, mediation is supposed to be less costly than court proceedings.
Yes, I think that was the reasoning of the government when they made it compulsory for all cases, unless you fall into one of the exemptions. It's to save legal fees, court time, and basically excessive costs of proceedings to the parties. So mediation, you can find a service provider online, you would access them, both parties have to agree, and then you begin the process.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think, it is worth pursuing, and obviously, as we've already identified, it's a legal requirement that you do pursue it first before issuing your application within Children Act proceedings or financial relief, and you have to fall within the exemption. But yeah, I think, Brenda, you've already given the very good reasons why people should consider mediation, and costs, time, resourcing, and also the emotional cost to families is really important as well. So it's better if people can resolve matters amicably without court intervention.
Thank you, Safina. That was a very useful explanation about mediation. If you are interested in more great legal content, please follow, like, subscribe and share Legal Dilemmas.